take you for a little walk through camp here. We got the Slumberjack Roadhouse up because it needed to dry out. It got a little wet on one of our last trips. Hope I don't fall over the... Tell you what, the raccoons are strong around here. I put that block on there last night because we had a raccoon about 2 o'clock in the morning wake us up getting in the trash. But there's our tent. And there's Boogie in there. Say hey, Boogie. Got Cat's bed over there, my cot right here, and Boogie has his little cot right there. Cat's over there cooking fajitas for us. And here's the dishwashing station and water. This is the day use area for this spot. We've showed it in our free camping in Northwest Florida before. Boogie decided he wanted to come over here too. Sun's kind of rough right now because it's starting to go down. But there's Econfina Creek. Be careful, buddy. This is Econfina Creek. In Econfina Creek Water Management. There's the canoe kayak launch. Got a ladder too. You can go swimming in there if you want to get cold. But this is one of our favorite little not far from home spots that we like to come to. Got the EcoFlow charging, 100-watt solar panel there. Should be charged. It is charged 100%. Good deal. We've had good sun today. It was at 30% when I plugged it up. I don't know, buddy. But good, that's charged up. I'll move it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mount Family Adventures. We're on our camping trip. We wanted to try something new this time. And yes, I'm sitting down to cook because I'm old and I'm lazy and I just don't feel like standing up. So, but we are going to do steak and shrimp fajitas. And little Boogie's over here. He decided he wanted SpaghettiOs. He likes SpaghettiOs with no balls. So that's what he had for supper. But so I'm trying to get this sirloin. This is sirloin strip. It's already cut up for fajita. It's supposed to be. But you know how that goes. So just kind of separating it a little bit. Get my pan turned on. I need a table. And I'm going to tell y'all what, this is the best pan I have ever bought for cooking. I love my cast iron, but this is just a Copper Chef 10-inch. Yeah, from Walmart. It has a lid, which I'm going to need the lid out of that box. But this is the best thing ever for your camp box. Nothing sticks to, literally, when you hear somebody saying it doesn't stick, this literally does not stick. So let's start. Yeah. Start putting the meat in there. Some big pieces of meat. Okay. So we'll start with the meat. And this is already seasoned. I don't know, did I say that already? Okay. Yeah, this has already got some seasoning on it for fajitas, but of course we're adding stuff to it, so we're going to add more fajita seasoning. Go ahead and put our veggies in and let them start cooking down with the meat. Don't do it. Alright. Well, I thought I was going to add some butter. A little salt. Just to give it a little more oomph. I ain't going to do the whole stick, but okay. Get it all stirred up real good. Had to stand up for this one. So that's just my steak. The vegetables, which are bell peppers and onions, and then half a stick of butter. And we'll let that. Oh, I gotta put the mushrooms in. And I also got some mushrooms. I don't know if the shrimp's gonna fit. I'm gonna have to cook the shrimp in another pan. Alright, so I put the shrimp in a different pan because they're not gonna fit in that. I did the other half stick of butter, half a cup of water, and I'm doing 2 packets of this, the fajita seasoning mix. And I'll just cook it separately. It's not going to hurt anything. Might help if I turn the stove on though, because it went off. Oh yeah. Okay, it's done. We're fixing to make our plates, but I wanted to show you. I mixed it all together, and it looks and smells amazing. And we're just going to do it on these tortillas and enjoy our dinner at the camp. So just wanted to try something new. Hope y'all enjoyed it.
Me and Boogie's gonna walk up to the bridge.
Oh God.
If I can. Huh? Oh, the saw vines, yeah. But anyway, we're gonna walk up to the bridge if my old back and legs can tote me there. But we'll give you a little more information about where we're at. Okay, if it's still there, we'll show them. We found a snake skeleton yesterday, so he wants to show y'all just in case it's still there. This may be overexposed, but there's the snake bones. Boogie had to show y'all. All right, let's head on up to the bridge, buddy. Yeah. All right. This is where we're at. Right now, we are actually standing on the Florida Trail. Going up there, buddy. And our camp is 50 yards away. But here's the map and all. And I don't know if I can get close enough. Here we go. But this is the section that we're on right here. And it's all blaze oranges around here on this section. I've done part of this. Boogie out there drawing with a stick. I've done roughly 10 miles of this, I think. Back when I was more able. Wasn't that able though, I suffered. But there's a campsite down this road here. Maybe the sun's not messing that up too bad. But that's Walsingham campsite down that road. We are at Walsingham Park campsite. This is where we're at. And when you go to the water management website to reserve, it actually takes you to camplife.com. There's your arrival and departure times. Yep, X marks the spot, huh, buddy? But yeah, a little more information about where we're at. This is the bridge that we came in on when we came into camp. And that's the creek in this section. Don't lean over that, buddy. You looking for fish? They're in there, I'm sure. I love this creek. What? What? You see fish? Oh, little minnows. Yeah, Papa won't be able to see them with the camera. But they're down there. Oh, my little camping buddy. He loves to be outside and camping. Unfortunately, he also likes to play on a cell phone too, but he loves this stuff. Once you cross the bridge, the Florida Trail picks back up, goes that way. It goes around out through there and goes follows the creek around back over towards Devil's Hole.
I love throwing rocks.
You love throwing rocks? Okay. No, don't throw those in the creek.
Why?
Cause just don't do that, buddy. But anyway, it goes around the Devil's Hole, and that's the last reservable campsite you can get before you're back on just trail again, and you're either in your backpacking tent or hammock or whatever you choose. All right, here's another little area. This is Grisset Pond, and if you go past all the campsites, it's down here on the right. And this is actually the lowest the water I've ever seen the water. Usually right here is underwater. But We'll walk down here and hope we don't walk up on a snake or a gator. We'll give you a look like this, and then I'll throw the drone up. Oh yeah, I can't see much out here. Goes on around that way. I'll throw up the drone and give you all a bird's eye view of it.